Gonna hang out for a bit. I'm so excited. Basically, I applied for their influencer program, and I ended up getting it. So, I'm so excited. They let me customize some stuff for my org. If you don't know, I'm in Delta Kappa Sigma here at SF State. But yeah, we order our merch from SomethingGreek, so I'm super excited to see like what they put in my box. Like I said, some of the stuff I did get to customize. There's a couple things I think that I did not customize. Okay, the person I was waiting for is now here, so we're gonna go ahead and open her. She's big. She's a big box. Okay, let's just pop it a bit. Hello, ML. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's a little sticker. Alright, let's see. Guys, when I tell you this box is so huge, I'm not joking. Oh my god. They have little green wrapping paper. Okay, I'm so excited. It's like Christmas or my birthday, but it's not. It's March. Oh my god. Okay, let me start. So it says, welcome to the influencer program, Kimiko. We're so excited to have you on board as a SomethingGreek influencer. I'm super excited as well. As part of our program, you'll receive exclusive perks, discounts, and early access to latest products. Below, you'll find your unique discount code to share with your followers. We can't wait to see the amazing content you create. And then there's my code. So it's also my bio. There's also a link. If your org is looking to get any merch, use code AOKI10 for a discount on your purchase. Alright. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so to start off, I have 2 stickers with my org's name on them in our colors. Oh, these are so cute. A little bracelet. I love silicone bracelets, like y'all don't understand. But oh my god, that's so cool. Guys, it has our org on it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I saw, it's a jacket. It's like a raincoat jacket. It's got a little pouch in the front. It's a quarter zip, so it goes over your head. It's not like a full one. With a pocket, you can go inside, like on the sides, or there's like a little zipper opening. So it puts up, that's a deep pocket. My whole hand's in there, guys. It's a hooded. It's really good material, actually. But yeah, there's little drawstrings on them, so you can like string it to your head. I'm super excited. We're in San Francisco. It rains quite often, so I'm super excited to get to wear this during the rain season. Okay, there's more. Don't worry. I love how that came out. It's so cute. Okay. Okay, this one, I really like this one. I gotta customize this one. I wanted it to be like an LCE vibe. I can't wait to like wear this and then give it to my little. But this is a shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt. But yeah, I just think this one's super fun. I love the colors. Even though they're not my org's colors, I think that they're super cute. And I'm just super excited to get to rep my org in different ways. I love having super cute ones. I also have a pair of like pink letters that are super fun. Okay, I'm super excited. I think I know what this is. I think I know what this is. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Okay, I'm such a cup girly. And it says our org. It's in green. It's a little travel mug. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm literally in love. Like, oh, I cannot wait to use this so much. I feel like I'm like getting excited over everything that I'm getting, but I'm just so grateful for this opportunity, genuinely. Look how absolutely adorable this is. Oh my gosh, it's a little bear. Has our org on it, the year we were founded. Oh, this is so cute. It's a hoodie. It's a gorgeous little hoodie. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me keep it moving. Also, just a heads up, if anyone's interested, you can order and customize all of what I'm opening up right now for your org. On their website, they have more stickers. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I just cut myself off. I got this sticker. I can't wait to like give these to my sisters. Like, ugh, I'm so excited. This one's adorable. I might have to keep this one for myself. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. We need a hoodie with Slugger on it. Oh my gosh, guys, we have stickers with our names on it. And then I have these wonderful SomethingGreek ones. I cannot wait to put this on my laptop to represent the brand all around campus, everywhere I go. But yes, I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have 2 more things in here. Just hold on, guys. I'm a bag girly by heart. We all know this. And now I have another tote bag with our name on it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a really sturdy canvas material. And then there's a snap to close it up top. Oh, don't worry, guys. I'll do a little video later styling all this. But guys, for beach days, oh, when the weather gets nice again, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. It's in green too. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's in green. These are so cute. Alright, my last item in the box. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love quarter zips, guys. You all know this. And now I have a green, gold, and white one. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. I might actually wear this tonight. I probably will wear this right after I get off of this live. But yes, oh my goodness. I cannot even explain how grateful I am for this opportunity, how excited I am for this opportunity. Like I said, everything that you saw in this video and in this stream, you can get for yourself, for your org, for your sister, for your little, for your big, whoever you want to get for. You can get all of this on their website. There's a link in my bio that you can go to and shop all the merch and so much other cool stuff. Like I have hoodies from there, I have t-shirts from there, I think I have another tote bag from there, I have another windbreaker from there. But they just have the cutest stuff. It's all really great quality. I mean, look at the stitching. It's absolutely amazing. But yes, I'm so excited. But yes, okay, well, I'm gonna wrap this up, but I cannot wait to keep sharing more of my time with them as one of their influencers. And oh my god, I'm literally in love with this one. This one's so cute. But yeah, thanks guys for logging in, and go shop something Greek.